ಆ ಆ
Hello children, today we are going to discuss about 5th standard, 8th chapter, the exercise part. India wins freedom. Let's start from checkpoint. State whether these statements are true or false. Question number 1. The Simon Commission had Indian representatives. Is it correct? False. Second question. The women's regiment of the Indian National Army was called the Rani Jhansi Regiment. Is it correct, children? Yes, exactly correct. Is it, children? Third question. The Simon Commission was greeted in India with white flags. No. False. Fourth question. Subhash Chandra Bose was called Frontier Gandhi. Is it correct? No. False. Choose the correct options. Question number 1. In November, dash, the British government appointed a commission under Sir John Simon. The options are 1727, 1827, 1927. Which is the right option here? 1927. Second question. Dash was injured by the British police during a protest against the Simon Commission. The options are Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Roy. The answer is, the right option is Lala Lajpat Rai. Third question. The Dandi March started in 1920, 1930, 1940. Which is the right option? 1930. Jai Hind was called out by dash. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is the right option. Next, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. In dash 1929, the Indian National Congress met in Lahore. Option is, or answer is, December. In December 1929, the Indian National Congress met in Lahore. Second question. Do or die. Madu illave madi was the slogan given by dash. Mahatma Gandhi ji was given the slogan. Dash was the women leader during the civil disobedience movement. Sarojini Naidu. Fourth question. Fourth question. Dash was the last viceroy of India. Lord Mountbatten was the last viceroy of India. Next, answer these questions. Question number 1. Why did the Indians boycott the Simon Commission? The Indians boycott the Simon Commission because the commission had no Indian representatives. I'll repeat it once. The Indian boycotted the Simon Commission because the commission had no Indian representatives. What was the salt law? The salt law of the British government. The salt law of the British government. The British had made this law to prevent the Indians from making the salt. Third question. Which day was declared as the Purna Swarajya Divas? Jan 26, 1930. Jan 26, 1930 was declared as Purna Swaraj Divas. When did the civil disobedience movement begin? The civil disobedience movement began in 1930. Who was known as Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was known as the Frontier Gandhi. What do you understand by Dandi March? The Dandi March was held against the salt law of the British government on 12th March 1930. Mahatma Gandhiji with his 78 followers set off from the Sabarmati ashram to the coastal village of Dandi and picked up a handful of salt from the beach, thus broke the salt law. Seventh question. Describe the Quit India movement. On 8th August 1942, the Congress under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhiji started in Quit India movement. He appealed to the people to fight till the British left our country. Strikes or hartals were organized by the followers of Gandhiji. The British government suppressed the movement by arresting several Indian leaders. This movement united the people of India against the British rule. Think and answer. Mahatma Gandhiji was a prominent leader of the Indian freedom struggle. Do you agree? Give reasons to support your answer. Yes, we are agree. Mahatma Gandhiji was a prominent leader of the Indian freedom struggle. He guided the people in the freedom struggle. His principles of truth and non-violence influenced men and women and children alike. He led the freedom movements and people united under his leadership. I'll repeat it once. Mahatma Gandhiji was a prominent leader of the Indian freedom struggle. He guided the people in the freedom struggle. He guided the people in the freedom struggle. His principles of truth and non-violence, influenced men and women and children alike. He led the freedom movements and people united under his leadership. Exercise part is completed. Now I am showing all the answers. Just follow it neatly with a beautiful handwriting, and you should maintain neatness in your fair book.